What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. I'm the Hillbilly Wife. We are going to be trying some Christmas candy and snacks today.
Well, except for one thing that isn't Christmas. And it's up first.
Oh. It is Christmas because we found it in the stocking stuffer aisle. So these caught my eye. I love pickles. Who doesn't love pickles? So these are, I was disappointed after we bought them. We noticed that it says sour apple. They're not actually pickle flavor, but they're little gummies. So I guess we're starting with these because Elijah said. But we have a giant bag of fun treats to try with you guys. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for clicking on the video. Let's try some delicious Christmas time treats.
Ooh. It reminds me of something. What is it?
Apple juice. It smells like apple juice.
Yeah.
Little pickles. It's hard.
Hardlish chewing, like. Why is that? You good?
I can't chew it. The gummy itself is rock hard. I can't chew it. The flavor is good. It literally tastes like apple cider. It's very good.
I love them. Next up is a collaboration, technically, but it's one of my favorite cookies. Oreo candy canes.
Oreo candy canes. I love a good candy cane.
Well, I hate when that happens. Happened to you.
It's good.
Ooh, yeah. Infinite out of infinite.
I was just about to say, I'm a savage. I just bite my candy canes. I never just lick them. Very good. I give them a 10 out of 10. They're delicious.
I give them an infinite out of infinite.
What's next in here? Ooh, this is more my speed. Ghirardelli white chocolate sugar cookie. One for you, one for me.
Ooh, they smell good. I was expecting raspberry in it.
And sugar cookie. Has little, I don't know if you can see that, little sprinkles. Tastes good. I like it. I'd give it like an 8 out of 10 because it's white chocolate. White chocolate is kind of like meh. But it's good.
Ooh, should we do another Oreo?
Let's do it. If anybody loves Oreos, it's this kid. These are Oreo snowballs, cream-filled candy with cookie pieces. Oh, the package is so cute.
Oh yeah.
Little snowflake. One for you.
Meatball.
Ooh, the chocolate itself has a snowflake pattern on it too.
Can I break it open?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, no, I can't.
I do not like the flavor of the chocolate.
At first I was liking it, but then like
the cream inside is okay. The chocolate on the outside is like a very cheap chocolate and it tastes funny. So I'm gonna say thanks, but no thanks to the Oreo Snowball.
I'd have to give it a 7.
Reese's Sugar Cookie.
I went to like fully like wrap it and I accidentally stick my thumb in it.
I'm excited for these because these are sugar cookie but with milk chocolate. Anytime you see a sugar cookie variation of something, it's always white chocolate. And I feel like the white chocolate just overpowers it. Really, really excited for these. We love a good Reese's. It looks like it has little sugar cookie balls in it. One for you. One for me.
Or like the...
Smells really good. The packaging is really cute.
Oopsie.
They're just little babies. It's good. I like the crunch of the little sugar cookie pieces inside. They give a really nice texture and crunch, but I don't get really any flavor. Once again, it's kind of like peanut butter kind of overpowers the flavor of the sugar cookie, but it is really good with the crunch in there.
3. I like it.
You don't like it?
I'd give it a 5 actually. 5.
I think I give it like a 7 out of 10 because it's not what it's trying to be. I don't get sugar cookie at all, but it is a good Reese's. You can't go wrong with the Reese's, and it has that crunch in there. Very good. Okay, we got a couple more things, but we're also going to crack open a couple drinks. These are festive drinks. We have tried these on the channel before, both of them, so we won't rate these, but we got the 7-Up Shirley Temple and the Sprite Vanilla Frost. So crack these open to help wash down all this sugar. Wash it down with more sugar.
Yeah, but like refreshing.
Cheers.
Oh, it was like a bubble. Never can go wrong with the Sprite.
We got another Ghirardelli. We got the milk chocolate peppermint rice crisp Ghirardelli squares.
What?
Mmm. It smells really good. This is such a mellow mint flavor. You got the crunchiness from the little Rice Crisp pieces. I love this. Kind of tastes like an Andes mint, but like better. It's just so mild, so mellow, but oh my goodness. This is delicious, you guys.
100 out of 100.
I'm speechless. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for these. Wow. I didn't know if I would like them. These are amazing. Wow. Okay, we have one last item for you guys. I don't know how we're going to top that Ghirardelli peppermint, but I have high hopes for this one too, because I'm a huge Werther's fan. So, we've got Werther's Original Caramels. These are a soft caramel with a filling, and it is a cookie butter cream filling. You guys, I don't know how this is going to be bad. I love the soft caramels. When they do like the caramel apple one, oh, so freaking good. Ooh, these are chunky little caramels. Wow. That is so delicious. I thought for sure nothing was going to beat that peppermint chocolate from Ghirardelli for my #1 favorite, but you guys have to try these. That is so delicious. I have no other words. They're just amazing.
I like it. I really like it. But right now, I'm not like really in the mood of like this kind of like flavor and texture. So
It's an old world recipe though.
okay, I'd give it 50 out of 50.
No, like this. Oh my gosh. These are so good. What was your very favorite?
Pickles.
The pickles?
Actually, I cannot disrespect Oreo candy cane like that.
Oh.
Oreo candy cane was my favorite. These are my second favorite. Our top 3 winners.
These are actually, if you're picking 2 winners, I'm picking 2 winners.
True.
These, you guys, fun holiday snacks this year. I was surprised that this is all I could really find, like, different and fun and unique. Obviously, you always have the holiday packaging, but I was looking for flavors for limited edition things. So this is what we could find. I'm very impressed. The Oreo snowballs, 0. Like 0 out of 10. Did not like those at all. The Ghirardelli white chocolate sugar cookie squares, meh, they were all right. What else? The Reese's sugar cookie, meh. The Oreo candy canes were good. The pickles I didn't like just because they were too hard. But these, if you're looking for something festive and delicious for this Christmas season, you cannot go wrong with these.
If you like cookies and you like hard candy and you also like hot cocoa stuff, you'll like these.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these fun holiday snacks. Have you tried any of these? Have you tried anything that we didn't see in the store, that we didn't try? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to try more snacks. So other than that, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. You guys know, do all the things. We love you, and we will catch you on the flip flop. Bye, guys.